Hold up, there's something different about this video.
There's something different.
If you guys like my face, like this video. If you guys love my face, then destroy that subscribe button. Okay, so we have a very special package in the studio, a world's exclusive device that you can't buy, that I can't buy. It's actually a concept phone. Now you may be thinking, what is a concept phone? Well, a concept phone is a phone that has certain technologies that are just too good and just not ready for the market. For example, that OnePlus phone with disappearing cameras, rollable smartphone from Oppo, you get the point, but what is different about this particular device? Well, this smartphone is called as Realme Flash and it's the world's first smartphone that can transform into a truck. No, I'm just kidding, that would have been pretty dope, but this is world's first Android smartphone to have magnetic wireless charging up to 50 watts. So inside the package we have multiple charging accessories, starting with a 50-watt wired charger, which is pretty standard, a standard Mag-Dart charger which looks very similar to Apple's MagSafe, and then we have a big thick block of a magnet that actually has a built-in fan which attaches on the back of the phone to deliver 50-watt power. Thanks to this charger, Realme Flash charges up to 400 times faster than a standard iPhone. Now I will say it's pretty impressive, but there's a built-in fan that you can hear as soon as you attach it on the back of the phone. The sound was definitely noticeable, but I will say the charging speed was impressive. With this special magnetic charger, Realme Flash charges from 0 to 100% in just 54 minutes, which is amazing. Now you may be thinking, boo-hoo, wireless charging, who cares? This is actually the eventual future. We've already heard that Apple is eventually planning to go portless on their next year's iPhone. Now of course, as we know, whatever Apple does, Android manufacturers eventually follow up. So we have these kind of technologies in the making, and probably next year we might see a phone with this crazy magnetic fast charging. We can definitely expect to see super fast magnetic wireless chargers on future Android phones. Now apart from the crazy fast charging, this phone is very similar to a traditional flagship. So we have a Snapdragon 888 processor, 12 gigs of RAM. Looking at the back, it looks very similar to the OnePlus 9 Pro, as you can see with the design of those cameras. I wish it had an under display camera, but we have a punch hole. It is actually rocking a Quad HD Plus, a 120Hz panel with LTPO technology. I really wanted to check out those cameras, but turns out these cameras are just there for the looks. Yes, there is no camera app on this phone. I even checked out the settings, so pretty much it's truly a concept phone. So yeah, since this is a Realme phone owned by Oppo, and of course as we know they are the sister company to OnePlus, and together they are owned by the big daddy BBK Electronics, we can definitely expect to see phones from those companies as well bringing this technology to their future flagship phones. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Big thanks to TechFlash for actually making this video happen. Let me know what you think about this concept phone in the comment section below. If you like my face, hit that like button. If you love my face, then destroy that subscribe button. With that being said, you can see that X in the background. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.